Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gulf Job Station and I am Khushbu. Again I'm here with some more requirements for you guys, but before we wish you all a very happy new year. May the new year bless you all with health, wealth and lots of happiness. So this time I'm here with some more requirements, some more Dubai requirements, some more UAE requirements. Actually, they have so many requirements. Due to some reason, I was not active in our channel. But the Christmas celebration and New Year, there were so many reasons. But now onward, I'll try to be active as much as possible and try to upload more videos for you. So this time we have the company name is NAFFCO, N-A-F-F-CO, NAFFCO. The company name is NAFFCO's company requirements. The logo is there, passion to protect. They have so many requirements. They are into if you check their website. So in their solution and products, they are into fire fighting equipment. They are into fire pump controllers. They are into fire protection system, extra low voltage solution, fire doors, passive fire protection, trucks and vehicles, medical, safety, rescue, and many more. They have so many ongoing projects which you can see on their website. They have a project in Burj Khalifa, Lu'Air, Abu Dhabi, and Hotel New Cairo, Palm Jumeirah, IKEA Distribution Center, Dubai Metro, Dubai Train, Jumeirah Beach Residence, Paris University. They have so many, lots of ongoing projects and even completed projects. So you need to check in their website. So let's talk about their career option and about their requirements now. So as I have told you, they have so many requirements. But before starting, I'm going to tell you that please verify the company details, as we don't have a direct contact with company or HR, and please watch the video completely and carefully because we are going to share all the details here, how to apply and everything, the website and everything we are going to share here only. So if the requirements are useful for you guys, please do share your CV, do apply, and if not, please share the requirements with the others so that others can also get the job. So the very first requirement they have for fire alarm and ELV technical support engineer. For this they need 2 to 5 years experience. Location is Dubai. Keyword they have technical support engineer, engineer fire alarm, ELV system engineer. So let's talk about this job description. Excellent opportunity to work as technical support engineer. You will support the DAPT head on product development and certification of new products to prepare complete documentation, data sheet, manual and presentation for all new products. Produce detailed design and or CAD drawing. Analyze and improve existing process and products, including updating documentation. MS Suite proficiency is needed for this role. Qualification, electrical engineer or electronic engineer. Experience must have 2 years technical knowledge on fire alarm and other ELV system. So the first requirement, this was the first requirement. Let's talk about the next requirement. Next requirement they have for annual maintenance sales executive in Dubai, UAE. Experience 2 to 5 years. They have 2 opening. They have 2 requirements, 2 position vacant here for annual maintenance sales executive. Education basic diploma, nationality, any nationality, industry, construction or civil engineer, and function sales and business development. So civil engineers can also apply for this job. Excellent opportunity to work with NAFFCO as AMC sales executive. Key roles and responsibilities: sell annual maintenance contracts for fire protection system, conducts market survey and competitor analysis. I'm just reading very small part. You need, if you want to read complete details, please go to check the website, or else I'll share the link. The third point, they have to interacting with various contracting companies, maintain relationships with clients by providing support, information and guidance, maintain professional and technical knowledge by attending educational workshops. Should have excellent and proven presentation and communication skills. The keywords they have: MC cells, annual maintenance cells firefighting system. So this was the requirement details for annual maintenance cells executive, Dubai, UAE location. Let's talk about the third requirement. The third requirement they have for e-mobility engineer in Dubai, UAE location, experience 3 to 8 years and position vacant only one. Education basic, any graduate, nationality, any nationality, industry, automotive, automobile, auto accessories, function engineering. The job description: performs detailed studies and design of e-vehicles electrical system main components with emphasis on vehicles wire harness. Second point is creates electrical drawing and third, provides technical expertise in diagnosis of the complex electrical designs or issues, support technical reviews, interact with purchasing, testing, manufacturing and external support suppliers as needed for the successful completion of project, create technical specification as requested for e-trucks, industry, automotive, electric buses and electric trucks. Requirements: minimum 3 years into design of e-mobility system, preferably with buses or trucks. Qualification: engineering graduate. So let's talk about the next requirement. The next requirement they have for ELV draftsman, Dubai, UAE location, 2 to 8 years experience and opening position for two positions vacant. Education basic, any graduation, nationality, any nationality, industry, construction or civil engineering. Industry, other benefit: visa, insurance, housing, travel provided by the company. So this is the nice thing. That means the company is going to provide visa, insurance, housing, travel and all these facilities. Function: shop drawing, drafting and draftsman. Apply: how to job description: excellent opportunity to work as ELV draftsman. Fire alarm, access control, PAVA, power central battery system. Key role and job purpose as follow. Preparation of shop drawing and calculation based on the system client requirements. Second point, they have checking the and cleaning of unwanted layers of incoming drawing. Prepare project shop drawing based on instruction. Prepare schematic drawings to prepare hydraulic calculations as per the instructions. To take BOQ after shop drawing. Prepare variation statements, prepare transmittal and keep the final drawing in the server. AutoCAD experience. Adhere to NAFFCO policies and procedure. Keywords: ELV draftsman, fire alarm draftsman, ELV draftsman, ELV system, fire alarm draftsman. So let's talk about the next requirement now. Next requirement they have for draftsman: pump room experienced, experience 4 to 8 years and education basic, any graduate, nationality, any nationality, industry type industrial products, heavy machinery, function area shop drawing, drafting, draftsman. And job description. Role and responsibilities are as follows: design pump rooms, skip pump set and any other requirements for pump room system. Experience of minimum years of in firefighting pump system. This role with coordinate with site team, engineering team and factory for smooth transition of the process. You are required to visit site for technical meeting and site survey as and when needed. Must have UAE driving license. Bachelor's in mechanical engineering with relevant qualification. So let's talk about next requirement. Next requirement they have for BMS maintenance engineer, Dubai, UAE location, 4 to 8 years experience and position they have only one vacant. Qualification: any graduate. Nationality: any nationality, industry, construction or civil industry. Salary: 4,500 AED to 5,500 AED. The benefits as per the labor law: Okay, job description, BMS maintenance support and at customer side, analysis and resolve engineering problem, experience in BMS maintenance, AMC commissioning for HVAC, plumbing, electrical and ELV system, manage and maintain the BMS system equipment, register and BMS logbooks, carry out plant preventing maintenance, fault diagnosis, remedial repairs and adjustment to the BMS system. Monitor, control and maintain the operation of the BMS system, plan, assist and prepare special studies, process control and automation, education qualification, engineering background. 4 years BMS AMC. So the requirement for this was the detail for BMS maintenance engineers. Let's talk about the next requirement. Next requirement they have for estimation engineer, ELV system, experience 3 to 8 years, basic bachelor of technology engineering, any nationality, construction or civil engineering. Description, key role and responsibilities are as follows: preparing quantity takeoff estimation as per UAE Fire and Life Safety Code of Practice for fire alarm voice evaluation, PAVA, central battery and central monitoring systems, well versed with fire and life safety designs, familiar with UAE fire codes, negotiation with the suppliers or on technical and commercial aspects of the products, coordinate with all project documentation activities such as drawing, material submission, BOQ specifications, etc. Keywords: estimation engineer, ELV system, estimation engineer, estimation estimator, ELV, fire and life safety, fire safety for fire alarm, voice evacuation, power, central battery, central monitoring system, material submission,
required 2
BOQ.
years plus experience in operating different kind of LATHE machines, use turning lathes and sounds, knowledge of industrial machine techniques, ability to use measuring equipments including precision measuring equipments, reliability, precision and attention to detail, qualification, trade certificate, ITI or equivalent. So let's talk about the next requirement now. Next requirement they have for sales executive, safety and building material, location Dubai, UAE, experience 3 to 6 years, education basic, any graduate, nationality, any nationality, industry, construction and civil, function, sales and business development, description, duties, goods, sales track records in selling construction and industrial related product or services, must hold a UAE valid driving license. Desired candidate profile, education bachelor degree holders, experience 3 years, job location UAE. Let's talk about the next requirement. Next requirement they have for estimation engineer in Dubai, UAE, experience 3 to 8 years experience, any nationality, construction and civil engineering industry. Other benefit as per company law, function, site engineering and job summary, fast and accurate in estimation skills in fire-rated doors based on NFPA and civil defense standards. Let's talk about next requirement. Next requirement they have for sales marketing engineer in Dubai and UAE location, experience 3 to 8 years of experience, nationality, any nationality, industries, construction and civil, function, sales and or business development, job summary, 1 minute, jobs, goods, sales record in selling technical construction related products or services such as HVAC, valves, smoke management, pipes and fitting, must hold a UAE valid driving license. Let's talk about next requirement. Next requirement they have for foreman in Dubai, UAE location, experience 3 to 6 years, education basic, any graduation, nationality, any nationality, industry, construction or civil engineering, benefit as per company law, function engineering, job description, efficiently lead team for fire alarm technician, energetic, proactive personality, knowledge on local authority, regulation and NFPA. So this was the requirement. This was the description for foreman job. Next is fire alarm technician. So for fire alarm technician, the location is Dubai, UAE. Experience 2 to 6 years. Education basic graduate. Nationality, any nationality. Okay. Install fire alarm system on very efficient manner. Team player but can work independently with less supervision, proactive and quality oriented person. Note, you will be contacted soon if your profile matches with our requirements. So if you are looking job for fire alarm technician, they have urgent requirement, you can apply yours on directly. I'll show you. I will share how to apply. I'll give you all the details after the requirements detail. So this was the details for fire alarm technician. So next, let's talk about design engineer now. For design engineer, again the Dubai, UAE location, 3 to 6 years experience. Highly creative in designing customized vehicles, specializing in fire engines, ambulance, mobile clinics and hospitals based on international standards. You will be so this is again urgent requirement. If you are looking for the job for design engineering in Dubai, and if you are in Dubai, you can apply now or visit the company too. So this was the detail for design engineering job. Let's talk about the last requirement, which is draftsman AutoCAD. So many people were asking and they for this AutoCAD thing. I used to get so many comments for AutoCAD draftsman. So this is the requirement for AutoCAD draftsman job. Experience 3 to 6 years experience, education basic graduate, nationality any nationality, industry construction and civil. Okay. Other benefits as per company law. As function engineering job description, fast and accurate in preparing fire related, door related drawing. Okay, so these were the requirements. There are so many requirements you can see. So they have so many requirements for Dubai, UAE location. So let me repeat for you guys. First requirement for fire alarm and ELV technical support engineer. Second is annual maintenance executive. Third is mobility engineer. Next ELV draftsman. Next draftsman pump room experience. Next BMS maintenance engineer. Next estimation engineer ELV system. Next machinist. Next sales executive safety building material. Next requirement estimation engineer. Next sales and marketing engineer. Next marketing engineer. Next requirement they have for foreman. Next requirement they have for fire alarm technician. Next requirement they have for design engineer. And the last requirement they have for draftsman AutoCAD. Now let's talk about how to apply for these jobs. Yes. And what is the company name? I have already shared your company name, but let me show you again the company name, website and how to apply for this job. The company name is NAFCO, NAFFCO, NAFCO. The line is passion to protect. The tagline is passion to protect. You can see on my screen. And their website is www.naffco.com. And now let's talk about how to apply for these jobs. So for whichever position you want to apply, you need to directly go to their career page, and there you need to open their the position you are looking for, and there you'll get the option apply now, and you need to click there on the position and apply now, and you will get one small form where you need to fill your name, gender, nationality, location, country, city, visa status, mail ID, and upload your CV. And finally you can submit it, or you'll press the button which is apply now. This is how you can apply. And if you are in Dubai, if you are in UAE and this location is nearby you, you can visit the company directly. So these were the requirement for Dubai, UAE location. Hope it will be useful for you guys. If yes, please do share your CV with HR and company. Do visit the company if you are looking for job. And if you are not looking for jobs, or if these requirements are not useful for you, please do share the requirements with others. If you like my channel, if you like our videos and channels, please do like and share with others. And in the comment section, You can tell us that for which location, for which field you're looking job, so that we can try to help you. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Have a nice time. Bye.